Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of our video newsletter. In this video I want to address an issue that was raised by a couple of parents that have been calling me, which is, can I lock up their loved one? In other words, if I'm going to use the Marchman Act or even the Baker Act, can I basically lock them up as if they were in jail? And the simple answer to that is no, I cannot lock them up. So especially with the Marchman Act, what we're trying to do is to get somebody help, to get them treatment. They're not a criminal. No one is saying they're a bad person. They have a disease, okay? Substance use, mental illness, they're both diseases of the mind. And as a result, the law, doesn't provide that we should lock those people up. In fact, locking them up and putting them in jail is probably the last place they should be, probably the worst place for them. Now, can somebody end up in jail if they are Marchman Acted especially, or even if we file a guardianship? Yes, we can lock people up. We lock people up who violate court orders. So if somebody has been ordered into treatment either through the Marchman Act process or the guardianship process, and they violate that court order, yes, then the appropriate relief, the appropriate remedy is potentially jail. And that happens once we bring it to the attention of the court and ask the court to impose sanctions for violation of the court order. You probably all heard of contempt, right? It's a contempt hearing. And so, yes, I can lock somebody up if they violate the court order. But if we're just Marchman Acting them, or even using the guardianship, or even maybe sometimes through the Baker Act, we're not locking them up. They're not a criminal. That being said, there are some facilities that are what we call semi-secure. What does that mean? It means they are very difficult to walk out of. And it's certainly, if obviously walking out of a facility is something that has been in the person's history or that you're concerned about, that's certainly a conversation that we can have with you as a parent or a spouse or whatever it is. About making sure that your loved one is in a position where they can't so easily walk out. So I hope that answers the question. Take care and be safe.